Good morning dear students, this is Bonani Porokasto. I welcome you all to today's video. Here we are doing the chapter Continuity and Differentiability. Question number 1 of exercise 5.5. Here we will do logarithmic differentiation. So our question is cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. First of all, we will assume that our question is equal to y. Now we will take logarithm on both the sides. So log y is equal to log cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. We know log pq base b is equal to log p base b plus log q base b. So here also we can write log cos x plus log cos 2x plus log cos 3x. Now we will do differentiation on both the sides with respect to x. So ddx of log y is equal to ddx of log cos x plus log cos 2x plus log cos 3x. ddx of log y means 1 by y, and since we have y, we have to write dy by dx. ddx of log cos x means first of all we will apply the formula of ddx of log x, and it is 1 by x. So here we will write 1 by cos x. Now we have to again differentiate cos x, so ddx of cos x is minus sin x. In the same way, here also we have to do ddx of log cos 2x. So first of all we will apply the formula of log x, so it will become 1 by x. So in place of x we have cos 2x. So 1 by cos 2x. Since we have cos 2x in place of x, we have to again differentiate cos 2x. Differentiation of cos 2x means we have to apply the formula of ddx of cos x. The formula is minus sin x. So here we will apply this formula and we will write minus sin 2x. Now in place of x we have 2x. So we have to again differentiate 2x, and differentiation of 2x with respect to x is 2. In the same way we have done this part also. Now it will become minus sin x by cos x minus 2 sin 2x by cos 2x minus 3 sin 3x by cos 3x. So it will be minus 10x minus 2 tan 2x minus 3 tan 3x. So dy by dx is equal to minus y tan x plus 2 tan 2x plus 3 tan 3x. Now we will replace y with this minus cos x cos 2x cos 3x within bracket tan x plus 2 tan 2x plus 3 tan 3x. So dy by dx is this. So to do this kind of question, first of all we will assume that our question is equal to y, then we will take logarithm on both the sides, then only we will differentiate with respect to x. Question number 3 is given log x to the power cos x. So here also we will assume that y is equal to log x to the power cos x. Now here we will apply the formula log p to the power n base b is equal to n log p base b. So here we can write cos x log x, because in place of p we have log x and in place of n we have cos x. So we can take cos x here and we can write log x. Now we will differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So d dx of log y, d dx of cos x log x. Now here we will apply the formula of UV. ddx of log y means 1 by y dy by dx. Now here cos x is constant, differentiation of log x, and here log x is constant, differentiation of cos x. So it will become cos x. To differentiate these, first of all we will apply the formula of ddx of log x, and we will consider log x as x. So it will become 1 by log x, because in place of x we have log x. Since we have log x in place of x, we have to again differentiate this log x. So it will become 1 by x. And ddx of cos x is minus sin x. Now we can write it as y into cos x by x log x minus sin x log x. Now we will replace y by log x to the power cos x. Now this is our answer. Question number 4 is given x to the power x minus 2 to the power sin x. So to do this kind of question, first of all we will assume that the first term is equal to u and the second term is equal to v. Now we will take logarithm on both the sides. So log u is equal to x log x, because here we have applied the formula of log p to the power n base b. So it will become n log p base b. Now log v is equal to sin x log 2. Here also we have applied that formula only. Now we will differentiate both the sides. ddx of log u is equal to ddx of x log x, ddx of log v is equal to ddx of sin x log 2. ddx of log u, here we will apply the formula of ddx of log x, and ddx of log x is 1 by x. So here we will write 1 by u, and since we have u in place of x, we will write du by dx. Now to differentiate this, we will apply the formula of uv. Whenever x is constant, we have to differentiate log x, and differentiation of log x is 1 by x. And whenever log x is constant, we have to differentiate x with respect to x, which is 1. So we have written log x only. Now du by dx is u into 1 plus log x. So we will replace u by x to the power x. Here also d dx of log v is 1 by v dv by dx, and here also we will apply the formula of uv. Whenever log 2 is constant, d dx of sin x is cos x, and whenever sin x is constant, d dx of log 2 is 0, because log 2 is a constant. So we have not written that part, we have only written log 2 cos x, and dv by dx is equal to v into cos x log 2. Now we will replace v by 2 to the power sin x. Now we will assume that our given question is equal to y. So y is equal to u minus b. Now we will differentiate both the sides of this. So dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. Now we can replace du by dx by this and dv by dx by this. So this is our answer.